This is another episode in the PM Collection motorcycle trailer construction. We'll see how the progress is going today. So if you're looking to have a motorbike carried, that's the phone number in Australia. And we're at Coffs Metal Works where they're constructing the trailer. It's a wet, miserable day, so we'll duck inside out at the rain here and we'll see how much progress has been made on the trailer. It's still sitting in the same venue, so we'll walk across here and there you are. You can see now that there's quite a lot of work done on it. You see how it's cladded on the side here now. Now let's have a little look inside. We'll open the door that's actually got cladding on at the moment. We'll see that lovely winch sitting there, and yes, the marine grade carpet is now laid in it. So have a quick look here at what it looks like. Long, low, mean and sleek. So that's where we're up to at the moment at Coffs Metal Works. The trailer could even be finished today, so share it with your friends, hit the subscribe button, and we'll show you the finished product on the road probably in the next episode.